of DuPage New Student Orientation. Let's check it out. Let's start off the day with a general student session. Come on in.
The theme of today is what will your story be?
What matters is you and your success.
Looks like it's time to break out into some workshop sections. So how's your experience at NSO been so far?
So far it's been really great. Like everyone's been like super helpful and I've learned like a lot of information and everyone's been really informative about every question that we had.
Biology.
Are you hungry? Let's go get our free lunch. So how has your day been so far at NSO?
Honestly, it was probably one of my favorite experiences like in the past couple months, and I had a lot of fun, especially meeting a couple new people. Definitely getting the advice from the NSO people, so I'm really grateful for that.
And that's all for NSO. Hope you guys had fun. See y'all on campus.